So far we have seen that the attribute directives are used to modify the styles of an element by adding a CSS class or CSS styles. But you could see that the element was always there. With structural directives, it's different. The structure of the app is updated based on the component's state. These structural directives are responsible for the HTML layout, so they can be used to shape or reshape the DOM's structure, typically by adding, removing, and manipulating the DOM's element of a component. The commonly used built-in structural directives are the NgIf, NgFor, and NgSwitch. The NgIf is used to conditionally display or remove a section of HTML code based on a certain condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the HTML code inside the NgIf directive will be rendered and displayed, and if the condition is false, then the HTML code will be removed from the DOM. The NgFor is used to repeat a specific HTML element or a group of elements for each item in a list or an array. It allows you to iterate over a collection of data and generate multiple instances of the specified HTML code. With each iteration represents one item from the list, and the code inside the NgFor directive will be repeated for each item. Now the NgFor is going to be very useful for us when we want to display all the cards of the movies. Instead of having to create all these cards one by one manually, the way we have done so far, we are going to have a response, or we are going to have, for example, a list of actors, and using the NgFor directive, we are going to iterate on all the actors and create all the cards. The last one, the NgSwitch, is a set of directives used to switch among different alternative views based on a specific condition. And last but not least, the NgSwitch directive helps you display different content based on different conditions.